Hey everyone, it's Randy here from Lazy AI, and I made this template because we had a pretty serious problem with one of the tools that we use, and we used Lazy AI to solve it. So here's the story. I needed to create this report where we could simply view which customer canceled during which dates and the reason they canceled, like which answer they ticked off, and any additional feedback that they left. And this report simply does not exist in Stripe by default. So you can see here I'm in the reports page in our Stripe dashboard, and there's nothing here that will provide that report that I've just described to you, unless of course you create a custom Sigma report, which obviously is a paid upgrade feature. So as you can also see in Google, we're not the only ones that had this issue. There's also people on like Reddit and stuff that have voiced the same issue, and I've looked over and over and have not found a solution. So we figured, okay, let's go ahead and build the solution ourselves with Lazy. So what's cool is that you will start to see, if you ever search this query into Google, you'll actually see Lazy show up, and this is the template. So when you open this template page, soon enough you're actually going to see this video that I'm recording uploaded right here into this. So this is the template. It gives you quick step-by-step instructions on how to use it. It's pretty straightforward. So we'll go ahead and do this demo now. So the first step is for you to obviously make sure you're logged in. Click start with this template. All right, so Lazy is just loading all the code for us, and you can just click run. So what you'll notice is that it's going to give you some steps on what to do next. All right, so the app is running, and as you can see here at the bottom, it says you're gonna have to include your Stripe secret key and add the secret. So how do you get that key? Well, it's really simple. If you go into your dashboard in Stripe, so make sure you're logged in, come out of here, and you'll hit the Developers tab. So when I click Developers, go to API keys, create restricted key. Yep, and then you're gonna name the key whatever you want. You can call it, cancellation reason report. And then you can just click read permissions for most of the stuff. So we'll do it for all core resources, sure. Let's do it also for billing sources, read and read. Let's also do it for issuing resources, just to be safe. Reporting resources, just to be safe. And then we also want to make sure we do it for radar, just to be safe for any failed payment ones that come out. And then you'll click create key. You'll get your two-factor authentication, so we'll plug that in. So you created your key, now you can go ahead and add it. All right, so we added our key, we just clicked edit, we pasted it in there and saved the change. And now we can go ahead and try to test, make sure it accepted the key, fine. All right, so we already can see that this is working. So I'll open it up in a new tab. And let's set the date range. So let's try to look at anyone who's tried to cancel so far this month. So what this app will do is it will start to scan through all of your subscriptions in Stripe, and it's going to basically look for these specific events in each of the subscriptions to spit out into a CSV report if the subscription has pressed the cancel button and scheduled a future cancellation, or if they've canceled entirely within this date period that you've set. So have fun looking at the memes. This is going to take a little while because there are thousands and thousands and thousands of subscriptions to scroll through. So make sure to be patient. This takes a few minutes. It's expected. When it's done downloading the report, you're going to see a message here that says download complete. So I'm going to step away for just a moment. All right, so we just got the notification that the download is complete, and you'll see here that it's actually just loaded into my downloads folder. So you can see this just happened a few seconds ago. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open Google Sheets. Blank sheet. Let's go ahead and import. So when I import this document, I'm going to cut the video because obviously this is pretty sensitive information. I don't want to be exposing a bunch of people's email addresses here. So I'm going to hide all the sensitive information and cut the video so you can see the final output, what the results should look like on your side. All right, so I've hidden everyone's emails, and we can go ahead and use this filter, and we can go ahead and view this in a few different ways. So we've got the cancellation reason. So right now for us, the only reason that you're going to see appear are if somebody requested the cancellation, means they pressed the button themselves to cancel, or if the payment failed out too many times, we just cancel the subscription if the payments aren't going through. So we like to see those details. And you can see here the feedback. This is the answer that they select when they're canceling. This is the comment that they can leave. And then you also have the date information. So you can see this is when the person canceled this, when they canceled the subscription, when it is scheduled to be fully terminated, and if and when the subscription was fully terminated. If you have any questions, have any issues, you can always reach out to the team. Actually, when you open the template, you can connect right to the support team here by clicking the blue widget if you're on desktop. So any questions at all, just let us know. Thanks and good luck.